We combine Chinese components to make new characters. Let me show you how one word combined with three radicals transforms into three characters. Ding means a nail. A mortise and tenon joint connects two pieces of wood or other material. Woodworkers worldwide have used it for thousands of years to join pieces of wood. Let me also show you the ancient forms of ding so that it would help you to memorize ding. I'll combine ding with three Chinese radicals. They are 口 mouth, 金 gold or metal, and 目 eye. All the radicals will be on the left side of ding, and I'll introduce them one by one. Ding is to sting or bite. It's the left 口 mouth and the right ding, a nail. We often use ding to describe mosquito sting. 蚊子 ding 蚊子 means a mosquito, and the radical of 蚊 is the left 虫 insect. How about a mosquito bite? It's 蚊子咬. The radical of 咬 is 口 mouth 咬 relates to 口 mouth. Ding means a nail. It's the left 金 gold or metal and the right ding a nail. To indicate a nail, we say 丁子 zi has multiple meaning, and one of the commonly used is a child, especially for a son. The 子 in 丁子 is a non-suffix. In linguistics, a suffix is an affix placed after the stem of a word. For example, we add ment at the end of move to make it movement. Apart from 丁子, three more examples: 茄子 eggplant, 蚊子 a mosquito, and 包子 a steamed stuffed bun. Ding means to stare at. It's the left 目 eye and the right ding a nail. You may imagine your eyes locking on something, nailing down and staring at it. I'll introduce you to more Chinese radicals and characters. If you find it informative, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel. See you again soon. Bye bye.